Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Samira. I made a beautiful outfit for myself, a line dress with 2 years of this crepe material. Please give this video more watch time, subscribe to my channel, like and comment. Kindly turn on your notification bell to get notified to see my next tutorial. So guys, you can also check my other tutorials that I have on my channel so that you can also learn the other styles that I have already on my channel. Please support this channel. Let's dive into today's tutorial, guys. This is my 2 years of my crepe material. It's the latest one in the market and it's 2 years of it. This is what I'm going to use and make this A-line style that we are making today. So guys, keep on watching to the end so that you can see the outcome of this style that we are making today, and it's another way for you to support my channel. I really want this channel to grow this year. Please keep on watching. I will cut my front piece first. So I've folded it into two pieces, that is the front piece. So I'm going to draw a straight line for us to start our measurements. So that straight line is going to guide us on how to go about the length. So I'm going to take my length now, which is by 56 inch. So I'm going to mark 56 inch for my length. Alright, don't forget I'm using 2 years of this beautiful crepe material to achieve this style. So I'll just mark my half length, and my half length is by 15 inch. So I'll draw a straight line. Okay, so I'm going to go by 24 inch for my hip length. So I'm marking 24 inch for my hip length. So that's the 24 inch. I'm going to mark it on both sides. So I'll draw a straight line also for that. My neck measurement is by 5 inch. So I'm marking 5 inch for my neck measurement. Guys, please give this video more watch time. It's another way for you to support my channel to grow. So I'm going to bring the depth of my neckline by 2 inch. Then I'll give a curve. So it's a round neck in the front. Alright, so my shoulder now, I will take the measurement for my shoulder and it's by 8 inch. Then I'm going to mark 8 inch for my shoulder. So I will draw a straight line to connect the marks together. So guys, this style that I'm making is a trendy style, so I want you to watch this particular tutorial down to there so that you can be able to cut your own by yourself. So I'm sloping my shoulder now by 1 inch. Alright, so don't forget I'm making my front piece first. So I'm using 2 years of this fabric to achieve that. So my bust measurement is by 36 inch. Then I also add 1 inch for my stitching allowance. Then I'll give a curve for my armhole. Please, I hope you are following up, guys. So I'm going to measure my waist measurement now. Is by 28 inch. Then I also add my stitching allowance by 1.5 inch. Then what I will do now, I will go down now. Okay, please, my hip measurement is by 40 inch. Then I also add 1.5 inch for my stitching allowance. So what I will do now, just connect all the lines together, the marks together. So I'll connect it down. So I'll connect it to my hip. Guys, please keep on watching this particular tutorial down to the end because today's tutorial is engaging, very interesting. Alright, so what I'll do now, I'm going to shift it a bit so that you guys can see what I'm going to do now. So I'm going to mark 33 inch from my knee length. That's where I will shape it to give it an A-line shape. Okay, so guys, please keep on watching down to the end so that you can learn one or two things from this particular tutorial that we are doing today. Is a beautiful style that you can wear out, very simple. And don't forget I'm using 2 years of this latest crepe material to achieve this style. I want you guys to watch what I'm doing now. So I'm shaping it by 36 inch and flare it out by 30 inch to my hemline. So you can see that's what I'm pointing at. So please keep on watching down to the end so that you can see the fitness of this style that we are making. So I'm connecting it from my hip down to my knee and down to where I'm going to flare it out. So that's why I'm shifting the fabric so that you guys can see it well. Okay, so don't forget I'm making my front piece first. So after cutting it, then I'm going to use it to cut the back piece. So I'm using my chalk now to flare it out down to my hemline. Okay, don't forget I used 30" to flare it down to the hemline. Okay, you can see that the style is very simple to cut and sew. After watching this particular tutorial down to the end, it's a very easy way to cut an A-line dress. So please, you can follow this method when cutting your own, and you can also check my other tutorials that I have already on my channel so that you can also watch the other styles that I have already. I also have similar tutorial on my channel. So please give this video your time, more watch time from you, and also you can also give it a thumbs up so that more people can get to see it and watch and also learn from it, guys. So after cutting the front piece, you are going to use it to cut the back piece. So please keep on watching down to the end for you to see the outcome of this style that we are making. And don't forget, we are using 2 yards of this latest crepe material to achieve this style that we are making today, and we are cutting our front piece first before cutting the back piece. And this dress is going to have a zipper at the back. I'm going to also show you guys how to go about it. Please, if you don't understand this particular tutorial, all you need to do is for you to please watch it again and again, and after watching it, you are going to get it so that you'll be able to cut your own after watching it. That's the essence of this video. So I have my back piece now to cut. So this is my zipper allowance that I'm adding, 1 inch. Okay, so after that I'm going to just cut it out. And don't forget that we've already made the measurement in the front, so there's no need of taking any measurements. So I'm just using my front piece to cut the back piece. Okay, I'm going to bring down the back of my neckline by 1.5 inch. I added 7 inch to make it longer at the back, and you can see that I just give a curve. So the back is longer than the front, and it's a beautiful style. So let me just open the zipper allowance. Okay, so after cutting it out, I'm going to run a stitch on it. Then I'm going to also show you guys how to cut the sleeve. So this is my sleeve now. So I folded it into 2. So I will just go straight and mark 8 inch for my sleeve length. Okay, so my sleeve length is by 8 inch. Then my armhole is by 1 inch. Okay, just give a curve. Then while the round sleeve is by 7 inch. So I'll just cut it out. You can see that the sleeve is very simple to cut. It's a simple sleeve. So after cutting it, I'm going to run a stitch on it. So after stitching it, then I'll iron it out so that it will be neat. Then I'll attach it to the dress. Don't forget, I'm making an A-line dress, and it's going to have a small sleeve on it. And you saw the way we cut the back piece. The back piece is longer than the front. It's a beautiful style. So let's wear it out now. So you can see how beautiful the dress came out. This is how I made this beautiful A-line outfit for myself. You can make one for yourself too. I want you to try it, guys, and I hope you enjoyed today's class. If you did, why not subscribe now to my channel and give my video more watch time, and turn on your notification bell to get notified to see my next video. And guys, thank you once more for always stopping by to watch my tutorials. Please give me more view to support my channel. Thank you. I'll see you all in my next video. Bye bye.